Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new here. My name's Agnater. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video where I'm going to be trying one of our favorite celebrities DIY face mask, Miss Kendall Jenner. I recently watched Kendall Jenner's skincare video with Vogue and I thought, oh my gosh, I have never tried a DIY face mask before, and I thought, why not try a DIY face mask after watching Kendall Jenner's video with Vogue. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the avocado DIY face mask which Kendall Jenner uses, and she has absolutely amazing skin. So I'm going to be trying out this face mask and seeing if it actually works. I'm quite excited. If you're excited to watch this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and let's just jump right into this video. Bye. So before doing the face mask, I'm going to cleanse my face, and I'm going to cleanse my face using the Cetaphil skin cleanser. You guys know this is currently one of my favorite cleansers that I'm using at the moment. So I've just cleansed my face and I'm about to do the avocado mask, and in this mask there's a full avocado, oats, honey and lavender essential oil. This is how it looks. Ooh. I'm excited to try this just because you guys know I love experimenting when it comes to skincare. Currently my skin is actually in really good condition, so hopefully my skin doesn't react to this face mask, because right now my skin is actually in a really good state. I think this is the best my skin has been in around a year or 2 years, so hopefully my skin doesn't react to this. I've never tried a DIY face mask before. I've always used store-bought face masks, branded face masks, so let's see how this is like. So whilst putting on the face mask, I thought it would be useful for me to tell you some of the benefits of using avocado on your skin. And after researching, I found out that avocado soothes your skin condition, it prevents skin damage, it improves skin's elasticity and it minimizes breakout, it improves the overall skin health and prevents skin from dryness. The Grinch, literally. I've never watched the film The Grinch, but I feel like that's how I look right now. Kind of scary. So I've just finished putting on the face mask and I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and see the results of using it. I'm a little bit scared because obviously the face mask has essential oil in it, and I've heard a lot of skincare experts saying that essential oils are not very good for your skin, and I don't know why I'm doing this video because my skin's actually in a really good condition as of now. but we'll see what happens. The reason I'm quite scared is because I think around 2 months ago I had an allergic reaction to tea tree, and I'm very scared to how my skin's gonna react to me using an essential oil, because I've never used essential oils on my skin before. I used a full avocado to make this skincare mask. However, I don't think that you need to use a full avocado because I have so much of it left over of the face mask. So literally you only need half an avocado to make the mask, so you don't waste it like I have. So guys, this is already starting to itch on my face. I'm kind of worried because my face is actually kind of itching. So I'm actually getting really worried now. I think it's been about 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash this off my skin and yeah, I'll see what happens. So I've just washed off the DIY face mask on my face and the itching has stopped, which is a good sign, I hope. My face feels really strange. Okay, let me just have a look in the mirror. I just feel like the essential oil is not really good for your skin at all, because I don't know whether I'm just paranoid, but I feel like that's the reason why my skin was getting really itchy after 10 minutes of having the face mask on, is because of the essential oil. So if I ever do a DIY face mask again, I'm definitely not going to have essential oils in my DIY face mask. But I feel like I knew my skin would not react well to essential oils, just because after my experience with using tea tree, I just thought my skin doesn't really like fragrancy, things like that, and I was right. My intuitions were correct. But overall the face mask wasn't bad at all. It was really moisturizing. Like my skin feels a lot more like moisturized after using the face mask, but I feel like I'm low-key getting a little bit of a rash because of the essential oil on my skin. Will I be trying this face mask again? Probably not. I think I'm gonna cleanse my face again because I'm a little bit scared that the essential oil is still on my face. So I'm gonna use my Clarifol cleanser, cleanse my face, and then do my normal morning skincare routine. If you guys haven't watched my normal morning skincare routine, I'll leave a link to the video down below in the description box. So if you guys do want to see all the products that I put on my skin in the morning, make sure to watch my morning skincare routine. Okay guys, so I finished using the DIY face mask on my skin, and I'm going to tell you guys my honest opinion on whether or not I think it's worth trying and whether or not I actually liked it. So guys, the face mask, a full review of it. I feel like it's really pretty and it was really fun to make, and I've never done a DIY face mask before, so as somebody who's never done it, I found it quite fun making it and putting it on my skin, especially because it was green. It was fun. I felt like it was very moisturizing because of the creaminess of the avocado. It did a fairly good job of moisturizing my skin. I would give it a 7.5 out of 10 when it comes to moisturizing my skin. However, the negatives, I feel like the negatives outweigh the positives, because after about 10 minutes of having the face mask on my skin started to itch, and that really made me a bit worried. So then I washed off the face mask on my face, and I felt like little rashy bumps on my skin, and I think that was caused by the essential oil, the essential lavender oil, which I did think could be a possibility that would happen with my skin, just because a couple of months ago I had a reaction to tea tree, which made me think that I have skin which is prone to being quite sensitive to fragrances, essential oils and stuff like that. When I saw that the DIY face mask had lavender essential oil, I was a little bit worried about that, and my worries were actually right, because my skin did react a little bit to the tea tree, and I feel like my skin's got a little bit of a rash on it. So overall, I definitely would not try this DIY face mask again, because I don't feel like it did an amazing job of benefiting my skin in a large way, apart from just giving it a little bit of moisturize, which I could just use my moisturizers, and I know a lot better moisturizers that I use. So overall, I'll give the face mask a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. I feel like 5.5, 5 out of 10 is a generous score to give this face mask. Will I be trying this face mask again? Probably not. I've definitely seen better results with store-bought face masks, so I don't see the need of having to try a DIY face mask anytime soon. But it was fun to make, fun to try out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My morning skincare routine. If you guys want to see my morning skincare routine, make sure to click the link of the video after watching this video, of course, and you can see my everyday morning skincare routine.